Managing a project means managing people. In this video, we'll show you how to use stakeholder mapping to identify key players, analyze their influence, and build a foolproof communication strategy. Before we dive into the canvas, let's define our terms and explore why this process is essential for your project's success. What is stakeholder mapping? It is the visual process of laying out all the people who have an interest in or influence over your project to determine how to engage them. Stakeholder mapping versus RACI matrix. While a RACI matrix defines specific task roles, a stakeholder map focuses on the broader relationship, influence, and sentiment of everyone involved in the project. Why do you need stakeholder mapping? You need it to identify blockers early, align your communication efforts, and ensure that your most influential decision-makers remain satisfied throughout the project. One of the most effective ways to categorize your stakeholders is by using the power versus interest grid. Let's break down how it works. Explaining the power versus interest quadrants. This matrix plots stakeholders based on their authority and concern regarding project outcomes to determine the best engagement strategy for each specific person. Strategies for managing each stakeholder group involve managing high-power, high-interest partners closely, keeping high-power, low-interest groups satisfied, and ensuring low-power, high-interest individuals stay informed with regular updates. Now that you understand the theory, let's walk through the actual process of conducting a stakeholder analysis within Lucid. How to identify and organize stakeholders. Start by brainstorming everyone involved. Use Lucidspark sticky notes to list names, then use the Gather tool to group them by department or role. Step-by-step tutorial. How to conduct a stakeholder analysis. First, place your stakeholders on the power versus interest grid. Next, use lines to show relationships. Finally, add data overlays to track sentiment. With Lucid, you can turn complex human variables into a clear, actionable strategy. Head to the template library to start your stakeholder map today and keep your projects moving forward.